My name is Anand Bokade. I am from Balaghat, Madhya Pradesh. I have completed my post-graduation M.Com from Chhindwara University, Chhindwara in 2021. After that, I am looking for a job, and I am always interested in IT sector. So one of my friend tell me about Vision is a online platform. We can learn so many IT programs. So I enrolled in Vision and I learned so many topics like Network Plus, CCNA, Windows Administration, ITIL, and troubleshooting, and many more topics in covered this entire program. And teacher are very helpful. The teacher are lot of things practically as well as theoretical basis. Then after completed program, they will take mock interviews for preparing real-time interviews. And after complete program, I got placed in WNS with good package of 2.5 LPA. This will happen because of Vision. So thank you very much, Vision. Thank you.
Thank you, Vision.